welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of our crypto day trading strategy, and well done for those of you that followed our first few videos, because it means you're already making money. So congratulations. But this video is going to be super important for those of you that want to refine and finally start making money leverage trading cryptocurrency. Now, before I get into it, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and as always click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date with all my recent videos. Remember guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own independent research. And with that being said, pause the video, click the link in my description and join the Telegram group so you can stay up to date with all my recent updates, news updates, technical updates and much more. Now let's get straight into it. Now, on the first video I gave a few simple rules for those of you that are watching to follow. Now, if you're watching this video for the first time, this is it quite simply. The trend is your friend until it ends, right? So your job, especially as a novice, as somebody that's new or somebody that's trying to develop and learn how to do this at a professional level, we cannot cut corners, right? Forget what you're seeing online. The objective as a new trader looking to take advantage of volatility swings in the market is to first follow the trend. Don't trade against the trend, right? And for those of you that watched that first video, congratulations, because what did we do? We saw the pullback. And again, we're assuming, as I mentioned before, we're still in a bullish trend, right? As I did say, I did understand why some sellers would sell this from a risk to reward perspective, etc. Could be a decent trade setup, but you're not at that level just yet, right? So we've seen price pull back. Where do we pull back to? Key area of structure, although you could say we're under a resistance area here, but all in all, in terms of a structure area, we have pulled into that. Therefore, we anticipated price pulling to the upside. Now, if you watch that video, you took a trade, well done. It means you are in profit, which is good. But now that we're past that point, what should we be looking to do now to manage this trade that we're now in? So now that we're currently in this trade, we're currently in profit, there's a few things that we can do to mitigate risk, right? And again, this is a freebie. For those of you in a crypto leverage trading group, this is something that we just mentioned in the group. If you're not in the leverage trading group, what are you waiting for? Join the link below, join Crypto Crew Premium, click on that link and join the Crypto Crew leverage trading group. Or you can join Crypto Crew Premium and get access to our spot trades, right? Where you'll get access to 100x gems, 1000x gems, overall market sentiment, and you'll end up getting free access to the leverage trading group by default if you sign up before the 31st of July. So join Crypto Crew Premium now or join the Crypto Leverage Trading Group, is up to you. But let's just move on. So I'm going to give you an exclusive, right, of what we're planning to do, right? So obviously the Fed interest rate decision came out yesterday, right? So far that news data has ended up going in our favor, but we're not over just yet. So what we're planning to do is once price, or if price moves back up to $29,908 or just below that, we'll be looking to move our trade to break even. What does that mean? Our stop loss currently is at 28,432, right? So once price moves to that $29,900 price area, we're going to move our stop loss to our entry point, which is 309, right? It was 29,309, so $29,309, right? So we're going to move our stop loss to that area, so that way if price does reverse at 29,000, so let's just say, you know, price goes into this resistance area, so there's a key reason why we have this area that we're going to move it to break even at, and let me just explain why shortly if you have time, right? So once price does move into this area, to a seller, this could just be considered a pullback, right? So this could just be considered a sell-off, price pulling back into this resistance area. So it kind of looks like this: break, retest, and then continuation to the downside, right? So this is what a seller could be thinking that's going to occur, right? And we want to make sure that we have at least mitigated our risk so that if price does reverse at this area and the sellers are right, it will take us out at break even. So we will not have any losses, right? So if price does reverse, it will end up taking us out at break even, which is of course good news, because it means we will not take a loss. But on the upside, if we do see price continue to the upside, then of course it should continue to our take profit target area, right? So it's a win-win scenario. So just a recap, and again, just a recap for those of you that missed the first few videos, right? So for those of you that missed the first few videos, rule number 1, trade the trend. The trend is your friend until it ends. Number 2, always make sure you're using a stop loss. Always make sure you have a decent risk to reward position, right? So just because you're trading the trend. So I'll give you an example here. Just because price goes up, it doesn't mean you buy at this area just because it's on a bullish trend. You still have to anticipate a pullback, and the risk versus reward would have stopped you from taking a trade like this one. And then of course, video 3, mitigating risk, right? So having key areas where you can reduce your risk or move your trade to your entry point, so that way if the market does reverse, you do not make any losses. Now, what I'm going to say to conclude this video right now, I hope you all enjoyed it, but there's a few things you can do right now if you enjoyed it. You can join our leverage trading group. As I mentioned, you could do that by signing up to Crypto Crew Premium, or you can just click on Crypto Crew Premium and then go to Crypto Crew Leverage Trading Group and sign up there today, right? That's up to you. Or on the flip side, you can like, comment, and subscribe, but the best thing to do would be to join our community. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next update, seize the day.